Hello class, this is Dr. Delmar. I am making a quick 2-3 minute video here to help you with formatting your papers. So obviously this isn't a full research paper or written assignment, but it's 2 paragraphs that has an extra space in between it, and I'm going to use this to illustrate what you need to do to remove the extra spaces. Now I'm going to remove the extra space that's automatically set to go in between paragraphs, and you should definitely do this for all of your paragraphs in your Word documents. But also if you use any type of headers or subtitles in your paper, then anytime you have that, you're going to highlight it and also remove the space. I'll show you more what I'm talking about here. So in this example, I just used the content of how to fly a kite. That's a moot point as far as in the content. It's irrelevant. I'm just using this to illustrate the formatting. So I typed 2 paragraphs, and you'll see that Word automatically put an extra space between these paragraphs. So I'm going to highlight this, but if you had more on your paper, you would highlight everywhere that you think there is where you see an extra space. So for example, you could highlight your entire paper and then do the next step I'm about to show you. So I'm going to go to Home and the Space section, the Line and Paragraph Space section, and I'm going to look at where it says Add or Remove Spaces. If the 2 words Add were here, that's great, that's what you want it to be. But you can see that Remove Space is here, that means there is an extra space. So I'm going to click that, and you'll see that these 2 paragraphs just came closer together. So I'll highlight it again and go to that Home and Paragraph Spacing section so you can see that it does say Add now. So as long as it says Add here, then you're good. But if it says Remove, then you're removing the extra space. I usually highlight my entire paper and do that, and then I set my double spacing, which is the 2.0. If you automatically have the 2.0 on there and then you highlight here to remove the extra space, it will work the same way. Again, you can see it says Add and Add, and then if the space is there, now that's got an extra space, then I can go back into Home and I can remove the extra space. So it works either way. Just make sure you do that throughout your paper so that you don't have these funky extra spaces. And I hope that helps. Thank you so much. Have a great day.